Hey guys, Ethan Nader here, and as you can see in front of me, I have the new E-flite Extra 330 SC 3D 1.3 meter, and I've been having a blast with this airplane. It just flies really well, kind of like the old one. I really enjoyed that one, but what's nice with this one is the AS3X Plus that I recently put in there. Out of the box, it does not come with AS3X Plus. It has just a regular AS3X setup, which I enjoy a lot, but again, I wanted a little bit more tail authority, so I went ahead, reprogrammed the receiver, got as much throw out of the tail as I could for the elevator and rudder, and then also put AS3X Plus into the airplane or on the receiver and fine-tuned it from there. And I will leave all of my pictures of all of the settings that I have set up on this airplane. Again, I just love the way it flies, and again, this setup is catered more towards 3D XA flying. So again, if you're a sport flyer, the out of the box, totally fine. Even if you do some mild 3D out of the box, it's totally fine. But if you want to see the full potential of this aircraft, you can definitely unlock the receiver, put AS3X Plus in it, and just be blown away. So without further ado, let's go ahead and fly the Extra 330 SC 3D 1.3 meter. Thanks for watching, guys. One thing to note real quick, that flight was on the new Spectrum G2 Pro Air batteries that you see here. So it's a 3600 milliamp with a 120C discharge rating. And man, I love it. You really don't need 120C on this airplane. However, that being said, it's good to have. And also too, having a 4S 3600 milliamp compared to a 4S 3200 milliamp gives you a couple hundred more milliamps. So in turn, you get a little bit more flight, a little bit more efficiency. So that being said, thank you all so much for watching.